My people, finally person just wake up. I don't dey wait for the day wey some people eye go just clear, and now e don start. Anyhow, make we not too jubilate, but my people, na good news I don bring for una now. Governor of Benue State Samuel Ortom, him eye don open finally o. According to am, go give speech, you understand, and una no go believe the words wey come out from this man mouth. He say the president as our leader is not doing well. He dey talk about Buhari. He say Buhari no dey do well at all, so Buhari need wake up, step up in game concerning security and many other things. This thing, e give me joy, and now I bring am because I want make it give una joy. So for now, when you know who be governor of Benue State and una never hear this speech, join me, make we watch the video.
The president, as our leader, is not doing well. That is why I'm calling on him to step up his action and act faster than the way it's being done right now. Declare state of emergency on security so that all resources and all strength will be channeled towards ensuring that we have security for lives and property in this country.
Hey, Lai Mohammed, where you dey? I beg. You know, say now you the always they tell us say Buhari administration are the best one. You understand? Come see, no be me speak this one now. Come see your fellow politician. You don't come outside now. Come tell us the real truth. Wetin they had all of una to talk. Now one person don't come outside come talk am. This thing alone suppose tell una say all these politicians, they know wetin dey go on. They know the truth, but either money or fear no dey let them come outside talk truth. They don't blast them with plenty money. Fear no go even allow other ones to come outside. See, I no go ever trust politicians for this my life. So in as much as I don't come outside say, okay, this one don't talk through, this one, my people, I still not trust them. Because now only God know wetin make this one come outside, can't give us this speech. Yes, he talk through. He do one good move, I know. But still, my eyes, they do like this, like torchlights. And they watch all of them. Insecurity for Nigeria, na Buhari cause am. Na Buhari cause am. And also that go tell me say nowhere is safe, everywhere is the same. But this one was past before. Now wetin una dey fail to understand. And now because he dey defend, he dey favor all those fulani people. Now wetin dey cause all this one? If all the governors fit come outside, talk the way this man don't talk, Nigeria will become better place, like best place. If everybody know the truth and they feel they behave according to the truth, we go, nobody go get any problem. Nobody go wake up tomorrow say they come protest, if they come, you understand, peace go just reign. But the moment una no say this na white, but una they act like say it be red. Now why wahala they come? Misunderstanding. Nigeria been there peaceful before now, and I don't forget. See this one now. Now, Government Samuel, even though you made sense, no get me wrong, because now I will tell me say they support them. I don't support anybody, I just support the truth. And the thing when you don't come outside and can't talk, now truth. So, Mr. Samueli, you understand? See. You don't come outside now when they tell us plenty story. You don't forget say now you yourself, not be only you yourself, all of una. Now all of una chase Jonathan out. They make noise, una chase and the man don't finally come out. So now you don't they come outside. Because you see this thing when I start, una go finish am. Because now nothing where we fit do till 2023. So this news where they can't give us now. You go wait. Because now use una hand bring this man inside this thing. Now they come outside. Assuming you still did that APC, you go come outside when they talk the way they talk now. Question. Now why they tell una say not only God know wetin happen. We make this man come outside, they give this statement. You understand? If he still did that place, una sure say this man go fit come outside. They give us this sweet Sweet speech. Hey, something is hidden. Something is hidden. I just the pity. See, some of una I just the pity una. Any small thing wey una hear, una go start dey side one person. As this man don come outside make this thing now, una no go believe how many people don decide say from today na their best politician be that. No rush to judge people, and no rush to dey jubilate, because some kind things e be like say una don dey forget how these people dey behave. Make una no forget say all of them they be the same. They be the same. Me, I no go talk past that one. Now you know they shout. This man don't come outside. They shout. Benue State, he do this, he do that. Even they tell us now, say they keep people salary. Say they pay them. Say in fact, he said now he be the most good governor we did this Nigeria. So now, because not be just by your mouth, sir, not be by your words, oga. You understand? So now, all of una way they watch me. Una dey listen to me now. If you know say you dey stay for Benue or you be from Benue, abeg start dey talk truth, because una don watch the video now. All the thing wey he talk, because he say now Benue, if you go Benue, you no go even wish to come back. Like you go just want stay there. So now all of una wey dey there, because I want testimonies. He don pay salary, he do all the things wey he list. Abeg identify am. You understand? Write am there so that we go know, because these people now so their mouth dey sweet oh. Make una come outside now, come they talk. Start they tell me, oh, Madam Aproko, na lie. Madam Aproko, na true. You understand? It is very important, because see, we don't need anybody wey go come they give us sweet mouth, then behind the scene, if they do another thing. If not true way you can't talk, you understand? If not true way, all these things wey you talk, God go bless you. God go bless you, because it be like say you don't repent. Because all of una before, we know where una been there. Now you don't repent. But if not lie, make I no complete that one. Make we leave that one. You understand? So because Oga Buhari, now your fellow brother don't come give you this one now. He say you no waste time, or you don't tell Buhari, send Buhari this letter now. Say Buhari needs step up. So Mr. President, Your Excellency, sir. No be me talk this one. You understand? So I just bring the message so that in case the letter no do you, this video go do you. Please, you need to step up or step down. And you know, step down, I be say you go resign. Anyhow, I don't say many of us now that one be our best option. Or God, just resign. You see, you not even step up. You don't even want to make you step up again. Because all the chances where we give you so that you go change things, you go step up, you go do, you know, do them. So please, no step up. You understand? That one at the wrong statement where this man go. You for Kukuma say make he resign. So, Mr. President, Your Excellency, sir, Oga sir, they bow for you. You understand? So please, just resign, step down. That's the only thing where we want. No step up again. That was a wrong statement. You understand? So my people, now the matter be this. So I don't bring a call. May we discuss am. Wait till you think concerning this important, because this one a real bullet, straight one. So drop her for the comment section. Anything where you think, anything where you not think, still drop her there, and go reach people we supposed reach. If you never subscribe, please subscribe so that you no go to miss anything where we drop. And I know say you always they enjoy our here and there. You know. Yes. Meanwhile, on to our next story.